All right, so I'm going to show you how to upload a video and set it as a Premiere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Create button here, and I'm going to upload a video. I'll then find it and upload a video like I normally would. All right, my video was short, so it's done. Yours may be a little bit longer, so it will probably take a little bit longer to upload. Once it's uploaded, I can then click on the next button and go through here and see what my details are and stuff like that. I can go to details, make sure I put it on the correct playlist. You shouldn't have a playlist here, but make sure you've got a good title for it. Make sure you've got a good description. The thumbnail, you won't be able to update until it's done processing, so you might have to come back to that. Checks, it's going to run copyright issues, and it will let you know on those things, but it has to finish uploading and processing before that works. And then here, I'm going to set this as an instant premiere. Actually, I'm going to schedule it for a later date. So what I'll do is I will schedule this for the date and time that I want. So I'll set this for 10 a.m. tomorrow. Set as Premiere, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that so you can see what it does. So, and then I'll schedule it. Now once I've scheduled it, I have the link, so I can share the link with anybody at this point. And if I pull up that link, let me see, do this in a different browser here. So if I pull this up in a different browser, boom, there's the link. It's going to tell me that I can't log in securely. So let me do this in the other browser. And paste the link in there. That one should be logged in. And what it's going to tell me is that it's a premiere and it's set to premiere in 23 hours. I can set a reminder on that. But anybody that comes before the video is released will get a message like that, so you can send that link out ahead of time.